In this video tutorial, let's see how to disable updates in Windows 10 which keeps promoting to restart or auto starts Windows when we are performing some important work on our computer. Before that, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added. So let's get started. We need to type gpedit and search here. Next, we need to click this Group Edit Policy Control Panel tab. Next, we need to click Administrative Templates directory. Next, we need to click Windows Components directory, and next we need to open Windows Updates directory. Next, here we need to search for Configure Automatic Updates option here and double click on it. Next, here we can disable or enable updates in Windows 10. We can disable here and apply changes. And we are done with this tutorial. Please like and share video and subscribe to my channel and click bell icon to get updates when new content is added.